Coppens metal technique is situated in the Brainport region in Holland. We do a lot of tube processing, so we do tube laser cutting, tube bending, and afterwards 3D laser cutting, and especially the combination of these three technologies together. We were looking for a measuring device to measure our tubes fast, easy, and with very low tolerances. Eventually we choose for the TubeInspect because they measure very quick. Measuring takes only seconds. It doesn't need any operator skills because everyone can measure and can measure the same result over and over again. We use the TubeInspect for the first product, like setting up the product. A bended tube has always have deviations because there's a lot of difference in the material. So the first run there will always be some difference. So we use it to set up the machine to the correct product. So we make the first product, we measure the first product, we do the correction automated, and then the first product is right. After that we start the production, and in the production every 20, every 50, every 100 product, depending on the product, we do the measuring to sure it's still according the tolerances. What's changed since we use the TubeInspect is the changeovers are much faster. We have a lot of changeovers a day. First product is right after the corrections, so it's very fast to introduce new products, but also the repeating products every time over and over again. Before we had the TubeInspect, we did measure manually, and measurements takes about 5 minutes, 10 minutes or longer if it's a complex part. Nowadays measuring takes seconds. We have more than 3,000 products we produce. It's a lot of time saved by using the TubeInspect. We have about 10 operators using the TubeInspect. They find it very easy to use. The software says it's okay or it's not okay. It's very helpful to see if the product is according to the tolerances, yes or no.